Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about date and time data type. In the previous class we learned about decision results or Boolean data type, in which we learned that it can have only two values, true and false, or also 0 or 1. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing. You simply need to click subscribe button if you are watching it on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. Let's begin. The date and time data type is pretty straightforward, and it is very commonly used data type too. Date, as you know, is the today's date. For example, the 18th of May 2022, that's a very valid data type. 18, I can say in US I will use May 18 2022. However, in Asian countries like India, you may use the format 1805 2022. But the format could be different, the way we store the data is different, or the way we display the data is different, but ultimately both these are very valid values for a date data type. Now another data type is what we call it time, and time is stored in maybe in different format again, but typically time is stored in hour, minute and second format. It is also the time it has elapsed since a predefined date, number of what we call it the sort of an interval, number of milliseconds it has elapsed since I don't actually remember, it's I think 1869 or whatever date it is. So you will get that as a valid time value. So time is another, the time itself is a separate data type, but typically we always use date and time together. When the time is not mentioned, the time could be, I guess, it's 12 o'clock night, and it will be 12:00:00. And again, you will have AM or PM format. Again, the time can be in different format. It can be, a military format, which is 24 hours format. So it will be 24:00 like this. This could be 12, or you can use it for, like 01:00:00 AM. Which is 12-hour format. But it is how you store the data in which format is secondary. But the primary thing is the data type. Data type of such data is date and time. And that's what I wanted you to convey. Now, different programming languages may treat it little differently, may store differently. You may choose to use a different format, which is perfectly fine. When you learn a particular programming language, you will see that. But idea is to learn and recognize that date and time is a valid data format. That's all in this class. If you have any question, please post it in the community on my.codemode.us and you would get an answer. Please take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.